Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the date and time format in HubSpot CRM. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's features and settings. After you've logged in and the dashboard has fully loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which is the universal symbol for settings across most platforms. Click on this gear icon to open the settings menu. This is where you'll be able to customize various aspects of your HubSpot CRM, including the date and time format that displays throughout your account. Once the settings panel opens, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several different options listed. Make sure you are on General, which is typically the first option in the settings menu. This section contains the basic configuration settings for your HubSpot account, including regional preferences, language options, and format settings that affect how information is displayed across your CRM. Now, scroll down through the general settings until you find a section labeled Date, Time, and Number Format. This is the specific area where you can modify how dates, times, and numbers appear throughout your HubSpot account. Finding this section is important because it controls the formatting that you and your team will see when viewing contact information, deals, and activity timelines. Once you've located the date, time, and number format section, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of available countries. Each country option comes with its own specific date and time format based on regional standards. For example, some countries use the day/month/year format, while others use month/day/year. Select the country that matches your preferred format by clicking on it from the list. After selecting your country, you'll immediately see a preview of the format displayed on the screen. This preview shows you exactly how dates, times, and numbers will appear throughout your HubSpot CRM once the changes are applied. Take a moment to review this preview and make sure it matches what you're looking for. If it doesn't look right, you can always go back and select a different country from the dropdown. Once you're satisfied with your selection and the preview looks correct, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page. You'll see a Save button there. Click on Save to apply your changes. This will update the date and time format across your entire HubSpot account. And that's it. You've successfully changed the date and time format in HubSpot CRM. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.